Hello my dears, today I want to give you a behind the scenes look. Come into our cozy living room and see what it's really like. Most people think it's bigger than it is. Back here is the old stove. Up there we have the green screen and the main lighting, as you can see. And over here on the other side is my workspace, which you see from the camera. Maybe you can show the two cameras built into the cabinet here so you can really see how little space we actually have. Those are the first two angles. Then there's another one up here from above that films down onto the board, and there's also the close-up camera, which is meant for more detailed shots. And over here in the corner is Linus. You already know him from many videos, and he's working here, so you can, for example, record directly here. He has all four images here. He can see our four angles very clearly. That was Moritz just now, our neighbor. He's helping us out for a moment. And this is the whole technical center up here. As you can see, there's the audio usage, and so on and so forth. We also have a main light up there, a Kino flow. So it really doesn't look like a private kitchen anymore, to be honest. It actually looks more like a studio now. Here's another dishwasher. Now you see what it's like at our place. And now we'll show you the pickled bell pepper. That's actually the video we're currently preparing. It's running. Hello my dears, welcome back to Letitcook cooking channel. Today an Italian classic, pickled bell peppers with arugula. For this we need olive oil, chili pepper, salt, a bit of balsamic vinegar and of course arugula. That's thyme, rosemary, garlic and 4 bell peppers. I only have red and yellow bell peppers because they simply taste better. That was a little behind the scenes video where we showed you what it looks like behind the scenes when we're filming. I hope you enjoyed it and gained some new insight into what happens behind the scenes with us. Now I wish you lots of fun with Let It Cook cooking channel. We'll see each other again next week. Take care. Bye. See you.